enkomo wasom yesu aketekete ne yete papanka as a medical doctor ye ka akoma bibini a akoma ho adwuma wiase nyinaa tenenka yesu so ani esua ne ho ade yetimi me said me who anything of him na me biem na me pese me sua because na intense says bibini pa akoma utimi wa mu yes woni abrofo kreatia na abrofo suru no enyoma o hyehyeye na dwuma obeyeye e wo Ghana Medical Association and Ghana hospitals and then the contribution to Ghana afi edru baby kra no na yesusu kra se MPP mu no obeye president anke ani beje because he is statesman onya kromfo onhwia odwene Ghana ho owo saa adwene na yemfa nwene Ghana na Ghana nyeyi no ompesika anya hwe no ankasa eboa Ghana no oyi ne botom sika ese eboa ena nyame ya adom na Akufo-Addo sama no position so moa papai egusu ye adwuma frustrations saa frustrations and they do baby adri. This is Ghana for you. But my many papa, Professor Frimpong, Boateng, Doctor, and you come on. Papa Maji. Papa who ye? Yeah, who ye pa official pa? Papa wadama yana wakasa kese kakra ma ye na yana ewechi.
Yo mati.
Sisi die te wonka. Papa who ye pa die? Great. Ghana for so I feel I say yen share dan to nka afi nyina so far enoma to say especially aban sesan yi.
You say the sanity.
The sanity. Obe jresen the sanity jresen.
So me I'm not expecting any groundbreaking change. Because again, for no, there you see kwaya. Ebe maya koso na omano epikin view. You penny. Ena yenye etia po ho, yenye yanka ho, yenye kuna fo nti se
Papa Wadaroma, I think baby our Wadaroma, I say echo kakra wo ho minim so obetwe ho ana ya tell very clear. Oh okay Martin. Ode yenye ni sa Wadaroma. And now say who still who expect change bia. Na minim say Ghana for ese ye to ama yewra Joma ha ma de anka expectations na high and nyoma wa kan de kire se insisan betimi aba but e de na wo hu aye hu yi.
No, sir. You say, which member na say, what can be our room? The free ticket. I got no room here. You don't know why I just saw the year. You say, a man do ya. I propose we have to add value to our resources. Now, the resource per se, what pound every oh, man. It is said, to research the people, training skills. You bet you are here. If you did the so
and yeme abamumbuana.
No, we say we are for that's another thing about no say yeah sacrifice. You know say maybe then for so more do money now or maybe Belgium, also it didn't so much yourself. You are going to sacrifice for the future. So, and you are quite you're not on the or say you know. You're charging the any Obiaba, you say, if you want to be a deployed to the say, Nagafu be back in your diba, and not in the company bar, also be a sky, Umuria, Obeya, and what on. And yes, also you have to sacrifice for Ghana.
Papa Mamimbu sad, dear way, and Hamikaka. Ejamo se tolebia mo se enkra ba ekra ye nkra boni but minim se empanyifo ye moan kasa ya na ya mama kwanya se monso na yesusu se munya ntete papa mo na yesusu se nananom ekire mo ekwan ye befa so asomo man but over the years ne hu se sa kwanya ni nyina ye de ma empanyifo ne papa nom te se mo no people still feel disappointed enti what is there senka yinim se papa no ne maame no ma mani afie e wo senka mo boaye no akwanya ba se nso e wo sem de boaye a na ye twe ye bosa even across Africa the same story
yo kan bi wo mo de ba ni nyina na e no ko bi sa wo se ni pa ko na o kan ho asem no o so no dia na o ye yes bia wo so no de te we are branch na baba wa wo ahode na nya se bia wo no ade bia wo radio be ya ju tete bi sa wo se I mean look when I was young Kama me see Germany bad Ghana. Ever set up cardio transition center. Nobody 39 years. No be I remember me na me ba. Jano so ti ko libo no. Oni aban na si there. Ni mmodi mo any connection si contact. Ni dey see that no. Ni exam for omo tell me no my surprise credit. This was the good mo. Ghana government sika ba ku kura ni dey see that no. Enti ni pe ko wa no wa tun sa e dey no be pay we na ko baga se we pay ti plantain emranti bi so ho a se MPP abemu emranti a so bi no mo nge ma papa bi ada e bi be da deputy chief of staff e ma nema ministers no se bra mo ko he kono e ko so abani mu no pay for na side na da bi kono dia elim panyi enen kuma demo eto bi a se e fa se party saba no panyi dia enim akora bi anim esikasa obi owo sika bi ande gege etinesi yinyansa anase o ma hodo ni edi ebibi na nipa bo ho a yin no se otukuma sei bra obo enso na ejiri se obaye minister na so be president na je se ni suba na sesa na o ya papa the be sign it.
So let's look at presidents in the Fourth Republic. Also said dear no manye amaster na de bia ye hia ensesaye
me can say ni pana woman we need training this I say university organ has no you open 200 higher institutions tertiary institutions we open 22 government universities we say a dear na sa a dear me e be ka say ye go go university ye new concept e bia one baby be more man. What is the use of the university for us? University is how to solve our problems. But the inform money. So you universities are one more computer science department manema and they cut digitization and also the number years to talk software. Instead of commissioning a university or two, one or two universities. Say, this is where we want to go. Bring us the program and then the nation will follow. The next government will follow. But let's sign it here. Okay, the same is wrong. Look at fabricators. I should be there. Can them come out? When is it commercial? When them commercial, magazines saying for almost and Kofu, gate, aluminum windows, coat, any these are fabricators. You can reach my ball because you don't have the right material. And you may be a no be animal gun has no. And you food grade metal. Who here still I did that. You don't have that thing. You don't have the machines. You don't have the fuel. And you say, yes, I don't know. You can't go for see with my name for ourselves and for export. What you yes, you can go. I bet this Prof Republic. Me buy Messi dying, my interchange, my way, my idea. Nipano, or more many days. Also, send it on the whole money. No one can say almost scared, no more dog. I just say, man, yeah, anyway, I send a because I can say, I'm a president, I'm Montreal, I'm in Quebec, I'm from now. Saying, my catcher and say, my way to Montreal, Abanama. This is the woman.
Wow. Ma. Only on Mampenyu Kufo aye juma. Only na Akufo-Addo aye juma. Oye MPP ni. Me person me busa respectfully. They say in terms of leadership, mo party no, both sides no. Saying na edi dru ye. I'm asking this because Ghanaians in 2016 etomamo massively. All of a sudden within 8 years. Akono ana Ghana for woma MPP no. Then within 8 years, na ate kokra ma gab no so again na esie based on knowledge Wadaroma.
Well, mami, we could say about the Akufo-Addo na menya ban na mo Kolebu. I was director of Cardio Center. I was chief executive of Kolebu, and maybe 1 year maybe a chairman of PURC. No, I'm the Air Force president. I was not directly involved in the government. You need to make a more but make my can't during those days. But Nana Akufo-Addo time no family affairs government. So we say what can group go one can and now what kind of question this one I was very disappointed. I mean, Yemen kwa Ghana for disappointed. You see, I'm here as well. Sanko for no more work forefront, no. Yeah, one more years ago, young year, ma, from one is here to yesterday, say, on almost 20, young son from Medio, on the Casa. But there are people there behind the scenes who love this country, who love this party. And they don't even see the NDC as enemies. Now, say, you money here, now, we need people who love Ghana, who care. And so now, but Nana Akufo-Addo, especially the second time there, it was, to me, it was very disappointing. Because, Mr. Anima, but maybe I can't say because it's not book the Bab on Tiamu number 10. And the business chef to go on, think even 50% of this plan, it's a Ghana business. And yes, you have billions of dollars to do it. You must get a car at the best idea to train people. It's an Ujuma, nearby a near Marseille, here, water pumps, transformers. Yeah, medical instruments. You know, we find environmental management. Okay, how about anybody be your mind? As you say, any answer, and one said, the police can you see adapting to the fuel station, you sign management. You find the book now.
Papa Metiwasia, Ose Nana Akufo-Addo dear na acquire family and friends. So what kind of crazy brains who are amanie? Until now, I am disappointed. Is that the case?
That is the case. Because no, I say, there be ye money a pet on nothing, the party nothing, the pet Ghana sem, and who can idea a good month? May the same Ghana sem and hear me. And yet, party, me, anything will be stopping. So, yeah, I said, and that's how much you made that. I dare to say how much you see, it's your. So, he said, and yet, it's just a film.
Wow. With a new, because ye nimsa, a drumebi crania, ye nimsa utimi, o chere crasy, a bit me, fu free, I could get troop, and your mother brave, why ya near expect to say, Anka. With your ministry, science, innovation, and kebetimi abwa, are you saying, sir, Nina no Sanyoma ideas, we fine ideas, now Nana Akufo-Addo Kasa Onchia and as a day?
Yeah, the major thing, me kind of too, a Ghana Atomic Energy Commission. Yes, I you see a dying machine tool and facility and funding. The biggest thing you can ever think of in our subregion. Yeah, you see, Daniel, to see baby, and in 2021, and so, yeah, and he never says, and this is one crowd, baby. Now, yet my sister is an Juma, that's my name. You said, automobile industry says, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You may not a contract with maybe a big manufacturer. I don't have to be on the street bank and everything. What you when your boat be mommy and I said, what does mommy have? Even that one product alone, who can serve Ghana well. And she said, automobile industry, we have no part to pay. And then my so good at the again for the day. A particular the team one. A particular Sabi Unmiasa or ideas. But Ghana in no time can happen because we saw car. Who is not it's an engine. This normal internal combustion engine. We hear about 300 suppliers. Will be the transport, will be the valve, will be the so we need people in the country who can do some of these components. Now we know what the about factor, not the camping. It is a after the police of the car, what you mean yet in your money now? In fact, in the case of the Banyano, a season and a partner, which is normal. If you say, yes, the human, a bad said, Omega Bacoso. Now, see, I see, you could go the way we never pick any of the human. And then Franco, or maybe anyone. You look at the history of the world. Mammy, one country was developed by sitting down and accumulating money to do projects. So the Fourth Republic, it has been a period of projects. Maybe no, it doesn't work like that. Send the people, and let the people build their own nation. Now, in your corruption, that is too much. You see, good governance, common sense minus corruption. So, but here we have embraced corruption and done away with common sense.
So, good governance is common sense minus corruption.
Yes.
Wow.
And again, you have corruption, and a common sense, because common sense should tell you, say, you cannot accumulate money and do projects and hope that the country will develop. It doesn't work like that.
Interesting. Papa, yen kasamfa waswe ye kakra wo free ho on the issue of galamsey as you say as ne kuna ayedin. Say na now pese ye fight no. And right now no te de ekoso including this abaya wo kireze o a process a kakra we chese na ye expect so be take action no excuses na kwa koye bebre and then the issue of China for nso is it yes China for na yemfo mu nkome yem prosecute mo so what it is ansem na from your perspective no be can say
but you there will be a fight in there to say there me person be home bia me try to answer ye mo mo kwai ni share abemu ni pebia where you say if they call me I can sit down with them who person make us be nemo asuma abuja for time about those no na I bet some come with it so that later on we can discuss the guarantee in the cool.
All right. Enti enka drones no ose obaye no wa mama metu drones bia drones na mo se mato no aban we ye Emmanuel Kofi Boa Lands and Natural Resources Minister ose drones bia no wa hu na se man to drones nana
yes to drones no but I don't blame Emmanuel Kofi Boa the kind no maybe to see drones in the hall but abuja pon minister ko kase ya to drones na say one keep drones one center ye to drones ye committee no to drones and minister of Lands and Natural Resources to drones and the me man hobby but there na make am one sem there no ye the ma Operation Vanguard and district mining committees ye buy no ye district mining committees and district bia no this no and the down one you can say you e num ne ba ko western region there no America East central region there no upper the east and west and a perhaps a city north a Ashanti region Amasia west and a east East Achim and Atiwa. In 2018, and paying for the committee of a call all these districts, it could share DC for no, paying for town lectures, this will come, one more Papa, Dr. Nade, Dr. Sylvia Mante, Mr. Emmanuel Regia, now, or Council, Ghana Small Scale Managers Association, and then Mr. Ralph Mensah, on the developer software, and now Mr. Kwame Apemdako, also, no. When I'm software, no develop yet. Share this money committees, no, and no making who come on, so the software in city, the also drones, and no more demonstrations how to use the drones to capture video and images and transfer them to Accra. Report a 27-page report, I'm not sure how they yeah, he presented at cabinet meeting, at cabinet retreat meeting. Yeah, Abu Japan, who was there. Deputy Chief of Staff, only 1 million. So, there are pictures here, and so on. So the drones were bought, they were given to Operation Vanguard, and then the district mining committees. And she put in because what you know, na area so the American farm, and also even woman you trade letter from Invest for Mines and Technology. Vice Chancellor letter say about the training of drone pilots. And the cost of training now cabinet in presented that. So it is a Obetasa na ya media a ship kwani say we don't who drone squad that. Yeah kono the good committee no president good committee no pick up say the down on hisa. Two, yet was speedboater. I know enough to my young a pump of a manual so no. They say boat no application because for example Nemo adboard boat is a big adboard boat in India. Obi smile. When you now put Japan himself, and so one person away man, nobody used to all these resources, you know, but they will who drove that. Okay, pick up some way, the speedboat, no one and any material collapse of software. They develop a software. It drew me because America for a Oracle, 1 million gold software. Almost here, idea, draft mention, and you can also, this is the best software that you have seen for this purpose. If you so we let a lot of resources, but I don't know how to say on the and so now because there's nowhere now the for it is there in the family. Would have been such a want to be here. So when I was there, whether he was able to go to the forest reserve to mine. So it is where we now are. Yes, will be in China, so kind of crowd. No crying country, MPP, baby, on Koso and confront our own demons and deal with them. It will be tough for MPP to make them can say, I buy a 2 years, me, Marco to be, will be beside me, say, and Uncle to them, this party or any party, no. MPP, almost many parts that Domano, the edge, my dear, and your for the cash money per go for so trust you. So, my question back on.
With you.
Look, say, me a president, and I say, me, president, maybe so. Make us say, I gonna for a work, I gonna have one more diaspora. I feel behind me here $5 billion. The way I put it, say, I will put some gonna fund on the Baba. More people from that say, Bremen 10,000 because you don't trust them. So you have to get leaders who can be trusted. Yeah, I would say it's no. They can say, "So she can be paying for you." Because but the other question, but I'm not sure. And you put up here. So,
Papa, Abujina Podia, so on the Wechem, the okay, the current minister, which is Abujina Podia, maybe somebody are doing. Okay, I get it.
You should know where the drones are because if you watch it, look, as a kind of president of committee, you know, the church committee of staff said, my teacher of Panama said, your committee, the basis of it will hand over all the assets. And not catch them so when they catch your work. And check, no, sir, Abraham said, oh, president of committee, the unfair enemy in Amra, the vehicle, man, and the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. And in national security, one officer could take over everything. They even did give me the chance even to hand over.
Oh, there's one casa won't call for no national security stormy will be. Unsu Filibi.
Oh, yeah, national security. I got a smile.
It's a papa Penia who I wasn't common mouth quite cry, say, co office, nay, near my yama quite cry, and one CSI.
Why?
Me tell Casa Papa, any Omudu any pow.
When I said, oh, because me, you do me, trying to remember any policy here. Then I said, no, there must be something outside of you to motivate you to do something for Ghana. So, and Ghana is not a country worth dying for, but it is because of that you have to die for Ghana. Because of the maybe them will be we're expecting something good in return. Yeah, that is no sacrifice. This sacrifice for a nation that is ungrateful and ignorant. And no, and here.
But me tell Casa, I say, Wabama Bua Magana.
But the Queen American, if we don't confront our demons and our weaknesses,
yeah, how be anope moving forward. You say MPP demons here okay. You say a better no clear demons into one now so say ebia leadership beni ebe boama party no why ya kono te say de na wonim no.
Those who are responsible for those who were there, but if we have led the party to this defeat, and they should care. All the national executives they should go away, and then a new batch of people who can be trusted by Ghanaians. So, but we all know who are maybe all here. Some look at them, but this is not the MPP. We all know, and you know it.
And see, what the old proposal say, executive be a mumma MPP way and the Empamumu.
This is Empamumu. I'm resigning.
Na John Mahama will hope kakra wonimu.
Where me ka John Mahama say me John Mahama say me kan na woman ko anu so nyina zuma because me here obi a abanfo for bank na say bia your party and they say o say time no now sabotage no I'm not like that. Let's give it a chance. Who observe things and at the appropriate time no we make our voice be heard.
The IA say MPP for be power cho say be do mani ma be do mani.
When you are part of, they say, near idea of the Ghana for any because maybe before I go to Ghana, we have to sit down and confront our weaknesses, our demons, and then get the people to exercise the demons or go through some deliverance process. You want to
say, oh, Quenya na only party in Pennyfo Asia because minim say omo. Asia Pennyfo. By the way, Omahu and Omesia also beside the Ma party in Luciana.
No, the party, you know, they were insulting me. I'm telling you, the party communication team was instructed to insult and ridicule me. They said, my president said, nature report on Galamsey. How we fought the fight. And also suggest a way forward for him. And I'm sure the command. 2 years, 3 months. One can be Miss American be there. About Attorney General say, as I'm sure here say, it's half truth, and younger some opinion, him and also tell you. And then the office of the president should tell us about it. The mob boys and new Yorker, it say, and your official letter, and then the party communication almost show me. And no man say because the Galamsey is a problem.
Wow.
Thank you. Party communication. I mean, some of them were even insulting me. I don't think any one of them can come to me because anyway, they have not made the attempt.
The last time I would say, Wadam Fana Akufo-Addo and Kayedame.
Oh, that's my downfall. I'm the president.
Maybe I was frail after say be a ukufi.
Forget it.
You forgot to say nyado be frail.
No, sir. No, sir. After this, I'm saying now, no, COVID-19 by no a committee to look into the manufacture of vaccines. All family to be the chairman of that committee. Because of what happened before. No, COVID-19 was a deadly disease. We were fighting a war. It's a fighting war. Even the president can call his enemies to come and help in the fight of that war. So I joined, and we did a very good job. And when I saw that we had done our job, I wrote to him and said that the time has come for me to leave the committee. And I don't expect him to come. Because to me right now, I'm in court with Nhyira. So they are in court. And the case has not yet finished. She said, and I'll be careful about what I say about Galamsey.
Oh, okay. Then say, Metuasia, Wadaruma, and Akufo-Addo right now, they're untimin Kasa Wadam for no.
How can the president be your friend? President, you're a president. Now we are a person. Yeah, why? invite you to serve in his government at his own pleasure. So he can hire you or fire you. Nobody can say, President Adafo, enough will be for more outside the government, not in you. So nobody should, a minister should say, President Adafo. No, I don't consider it at all.
There is a say and make as say I want your president be a munina my retirees in a number person busa say over classifying the same.
I'm working hard, in the hospital, setting up things, doing many things. I'm not retired.
Oda so practice it, Padarma.
Yes, seriously.
Kumasi 40 or final word bedding.
So who the Ghana against when you swap? And I want to solve problems. If when you solve the problems of money, we'll give someone problem. Automatically now your present problems will be solved.
Interesting, Papa.
All right.
Now, say where the facha make us last one, but we a question now, na yedi awie. On they say akoye mo mpanyufo ya mo amoye statesman a mo kasa wo MPP mo ankofo hu say mo na enmunyam kakra wo mo ebetimi aboa ma party moving forward no. Say ye frɛ the new MPP no esesa nyoma na ye frɛ mo including Alan Musa mo meboa mo beba na.
Look, MPP for leadership on Wepa, the new MPP on Wepa. Let's get that one first. So, any mature guy, it doesn't matter whether it's MPP or CPP or anything. If that is what people jump there, or say, what do you say now? What I didn't say again. I'll tell them, I'm not waiting for the party because the present MPP now, parliament, this is not the MPP I know. So, I don't consider this as the true MPP.
Sir, you 1988 no parliament to afenyo ki mu na ye leaders so mo hwa mo som MPP ne sela wo hu he. Papa Infansia. Professor Frimpong Boateng, heart surgeon, former Minister of Environment, Science and Innovation.